Hooked up again. I'll put. Oh yes, he darted to it. Oh, he's got it again. Oh my God. Not a bad one. What is up, everybody? We are down here at East Fork Boat Ramp. I am hard launching. This is my new vessel. First time ever owning a boat. I actually put it out on Percy Priest with some buddies the other day, and I think just the excitement of putting it in the water for the first time, making sure everything worked and all that. I really didn't get a great video. I may have gotten like a few random clips of me fighting fish, and then I caught a couple good hybrids, which was a great way to break in this bad boy. But we are gonna put her in the water and just honestly see if we can find anything. This is not too far from my house, so let's see if we can catch something, anything. Dang it, camera wasn't on, but a pretty little smallmouth. Little dude, thanks for biting, bud.
Right here, that old oak.
Yeah, and we might be out more out of the wind out of that on that one.
I've had them for so long, and then I just haven't used them, and I think this morning it was like, ooh.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh!
Trying to get over your head.
Oh my God! He's not a small one, bro. Give him Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Yes, sir. First one. Oh, man. Forgot how much I love them, bro. This is scary making a run for your first time. I don't know why, but I don't want to pull the throttle. Oh, I'm just gonna cruise. We're just gonna cruise over yonder. That is not really what we wanted. First fish of the trip. A little green spotted, or green sunfish, excuse me. First catch of the day. Up something decent. Let's go. A largemouth. All right, first decent fish of the day. All right, y'all, that'll do it for the first boat send. I don't even know if I got any fish on camera. I caught a few fish here and there. I honestly just roamed around. I really wanted to find some white bass. I did not find any white bass, but I talked to a few people out today and no one had caught anything. So at least I caught something, I guess, and got to enjoy a beautiful day and test out the boat. Many more fun adventures in the boat to come. Stay tuned.